Hi guys, Tim from Schmiedmann here. Today I'm in the workshop again and I'm gonna show you a BMW that we have never seen in our workshop before since we started in 1998. So the car in question is this BMW Z1. It's from 1989 and is owned by CC Cars here in Denmark. This BMW is a two-seat convertible, also known as a roadster. And if we take a look in the back, we have this quite modern from that time rear end. A fun fact is the Z in the Z series stands for Zukunft, which means future in English. And let me just show you the trunk. So here we have the trunk with the spare tire and a new timing belt. One of the features that made this BMW known is the vertical sliding doors. So to get the doors down, we just have to press this button and the door slides down. And let us take a look at the interior. First we have this beautiful 3-spoke wheel from original BMW. We have these cool seats. Here we can see the BMW has only driven 21,000 kilometers, all original. Also here we have the vents and the radio, the gauges, the heat control and the sliding knobs, so you can control where you want the air from. We have the original gear shifter. There's no glove compartment, but we have a little space up here for your personal stuff. Again, here's the seat in great condition. So down here by the door there's this lever, you just pull it and the door goes up. Same again, if you want to get out, you just pull a lever. Under the hood we find the BMW M20 engine. We have changed the timing belt for the customer because it needed a replacement, and also we changed the battery. Looking at the engine, it can be hard to see that it was manufactured in 1989 because it's such good condition. Just take a look at it here. So if you want to see more cool BMWs like the Z1, then subscribe to our newsletter, follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter. And as always, see you at Schmiedmann and welcome to our world of passion for BMW and MINI. See you!